Ê, hay vậy. Ý moru apa ya?
ඈනි බේරෙනවා.
ඔතන මේ මීවද කැල්ලන්නේ?
අපි අද ඇවිල්ලා තින්නේ හුකා වෝටර්ෆෝල් එක ළඟට. මේක හෙන පළල විශාල වෝටර්ෆෝල් එකක්. ටවුපෝ වල තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හැමෝම එන බොහොම ෆේමස් තැනක් නිව්සීලන්ත වල තියෙන. අපි ගිහිල්ලා බලමු. තද නිල් පාටට වතුර ගලාගෙන යනවා. ඒ වගේම වතුර පාර ගොඩාක් සැරයි. දැන් එන්න සද්ද වැඩි වෙනවා. කරන්න හිටියද බයි?
කොහොමද කපයි? පාරෙන් බැලුවා.
ෆෝල් එක උඩ ඉඳන් බලන්න තැනක්. එතනට ටිකක් ඈතින් පේනවා. හැබැයි අපි කලින් ගියේ මේක එහා පැත්තේ. දැන් මේ අනිත් පැත්තේ view එක තමයි මේ පේන්නේ. ඕන් කඩක් වැටෙන මීටර් 9ක් තමයි විස. උනට සෑහෙන පළලයි. Bye no couples bye. Napi ano ako. මේ දැන් අපි වොටර්ෆෝල් එක බලලා ඒ අපිට තියෙන තව තැනක් බලන්න යන්නේ. මේ හරියට කියන්නේ craters of the moon කියලා මේ බලන්න යන තැන. එතන පාර දෙපැත්තෙන් යද්දි දුම් දානවා. අපි ඇවිදගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. නමුත් මේ පොඩි වැස්සක් තියෙන මේ වෙලාවේ හින්දා අපි සමහරට ඇවිදගෙන යන එකක් නැහැ. ගිහිල්ලා බලමු කෝකටත්. ඒකට කියන්නේ craters of the moon කියලා පොළොව යටින් දුම් දානවා මේ හරිය. මේක වෝක් එකක් තියෙනවා. අද ටිකක් වහින හින්දා අපි වෝක් එක ගියේ නෑ. මේ වෝක් එක යද්දී දෙපැත්තෙන් දුම් දානවා හරියට රොටරුවා වල ජියෝතර්මල් පාක්ස් වලින් යනවා වගේ. මේ පොළොවේ නිකන් ජියෝතර්මල් තමයි. වැස්ස හින්දා අපි ඒකේ ඇවිදගෙන ගියේ නෑ. හැබැයි මේ හරිය දිගටම ජියෝතර්මල් ඇක්ටිවිටි තියෙන හින්දා තමයි එහෙම දුම දාන්නේ. දැන් අපි ආපහු යනවා තව තැනකට. හනි සෙන්ටර් එකක් තියෙනවා මේ යවට. අපිට ගිහිල්ලා මී පැණි එහෙම ටේස්ට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතනට යන ගමන් තමයි අපි මේ ඉන්නේ. මේ හරියේ දිගටම ලස්සන්ට දෙපැත්තේ කැලෑව එහෙම තියෙනවා. බලන්න පේන්නේ. පියානෝ හනි සෙන්ටර් එකක් තියෙනවා හුකා වල.
How you doing?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Good, mate.
Aratan isra honey tasting. Aratan.
It's already, I got it.
Baba yan. Ano ho yan? Mehe mehe. Honey taste ka mehe. Honey ka na kaisa na tiyan. Enna. Asan din. Yan taste. ඒ බබා චිත්‍ර පාට කරනවා. එන්න බබා චිත්‍ර පාට කරනවා. එන්න බබා සෙල්ලම් ගිහින්. පාට කරා. හවුස් එක. ඈ?
Which one tastes like vomit? We want to taste the vomit.
Just in my opinion.
බබා අරගෙන. අනිකෝම් එකක්. අනිකෝම්. බබා ළඟ තියෙන මොනවද?
බබා ඔක ගලවලා බලන්න.
යන් වාහනේ ඉදි බලන්න.
And this was for me also.
Two of them.
I want to eat a honeybee.
Honeybee නෙමෙයි මේ. honeycomb. කොහොමද මේ ගන්නේ නේද?
And
නේ හයියෙන්. ඒ මරු අප්පා ඒක.
ඇනි බේරෙනවා.
ඔතන මේ මීවද කෑල්ලන්නේ?
දෙක වර්ග දෙකක්ද?
මේක පින්නත්.
එන පියා තව දැනකට. මේ දැන් යන්නේ ග්ලාස් මියුසියම් එකකට. ලාවා ග්ලාස් වලින් හදපු ග්ලාස් එක එක ස්කල්ප්චර්ස් සරමය තමයි මේක ඇතුළේ තියෙන්නේ. හරිම ලස්සනයි මේක. අපි ගිහිල්ලා බලමු මේකට වෙනම ගාඩන් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒත් එක්කම අපිට පුළුවන් ග්ලාස් හදන විදිය බලන්න. මේ ක්‍රිස්ටල් ග්ලාස් හදන විදිය. ග්ලාස් බෝලින් ගැලරි එකකට.
play කරන්න බෑ. යා බලන්න.
It's just for watching.
play කරන්න බෑ ඒකද playground යන්න. හරි. ඉන්නේ.
मारू एक ada ini මේ තමයි වැටේ තියෙන විදිහ ඒක ඉහළට මේ ගාඩන් එකේ මේ තව ඒවා තියෙනවා කොරු ට්‍රී මේව තමයි අර යා නිව්සීලන්ඩ් එකේ තියෙන කොරු පිටිපස්සට තියෙන මේක නම් හරිම ලස්සනයි වතුර වැටෙන එක බලන්න glass waterfall එකක් මේ තමයි glass forest එක ඊට පස්සේ glass පොකුණක් නර දෙන්නේ නේ glass bubbles glass pond the boat, flower tree. මේ තමයි boat එක. මේ glass gate එකක් තියෙනවා මෙතන. මෙතන over 600 sculptures තියෙනවා කියලා තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ අපිට කිව්වේ. Serpents ලාගේ. Raiden tree කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙතන තව ලස්සන glass වතුර.
because it means I don't have to talk quite as loud. So welcome guys, welcome to Lava Glass. Today you're watching Carlin at work. Now Carlin is a glass blower with about 7 or 8 years experience. So he does make it all look really, really easy. It's not, it's quite tricky to make these paperweights. So today he's making the beautiful flower paperweights. And they come with about 6 different colours. So he is actually nearing the end of making this piece. Don't worry, because he's about to start another piece. So he's just making sure it's absolutely perfect, because once it goes in the kiln, he's unable to change anything else. So So that piece is still very, very hot. It's probably about 600 to 700 degrees. Yeah. And what he's going to do very soon is remove it from the rod and place it in one of the kilns. Now the kiln is running at 500 degrees, and what he'll do is place as he makes the pieces, he puts them into the kiln. And then at the end of the day, the kiln goes on a very, very slow cool down process where it cools down over 2 days. So you'll see Carlin isn't wearing any gloves. He does that because he wants to have a real dexterity or handle and dexterity on the rod. So he's just tapping it off the rod. He's going to flame the bottom to get rid of any scar that rod left behind. And then he uses some protective gloves and tongs to pick up that very hot piece. So into the kiln it goes. So every single week we put out 200 kg of these clear glass pellets into our furnace. And the furnace is the big black thing over the back. It doesn't get turned off. It's powered by electricity and it runs at just over 1,000 degrees. So this clear glass comes all the way from Czech Republic, and it's what we use for a lot of the things we make. So colour glass, you can see colours going in there now. And believe me, I've been up close and you can really feel the heat coming off. I'll turn this off because you're so close to me. Yeah. So you can see how red hot it is. Now what he's going to do is dip that in some powders and shards. And that's coloured glass he's dipping it in. So a coloured glass we buy it in a solid format, but also powders and shards, and that comes all the way from either America or Germany. Yeah. Pardon? No, you can't get them in New Zealand or Australia, yeah.
That's why you are taking them from Czech? Czech Republic?
So the clear was from Czech Republic, but
Yeah.
coloured is from either America or
Okay. So
Germany.
even the glass is not found in New Zealand?
No, nothing.
Not blind glass, no. It's chemically different from all other glass. So so at the moment Carlin's got the piece in a heater that's running at 1200 degrees.
Okay.
So he's got to heat the glass up to between 800 and 1000 degrees to be able to manipulate it. And you can feel that heat coming off it.
Yeah.
So now he's pressing that colour into the piece. It's hot. The first part of it is very hot, but it doesn't conduct the whole lot of heat going down. So they are made out of steel. So now he's going to make the beautiful petals on the flower that's on the inside.
That's, it's very delicate work.
Oh, it is. It's really, really precise. And as I said, he does make it look easy. It's not. If your eye was try, it would be all over the show. Yeah.
So,
So you can hear it starting to cool down. Yeah.
so what's the purpose of this? Are these for people take this thing for home? Or-
Yes. So they are in theory a paperweight. So you put paper under it to hold it down.
Yeah.
But lots of people have them purely as decoration. Yeah.
How's the market then? There's a lot of demand for this one?
Absolutely. Well, I guess it's all handmade and it's all made in New Zealand and it is beautiful New Zealand art. So we see it all over the world. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, where we can find, I haven't seen this in Auckland so far. So where can we find, is it only here or do you?
I think there's about sort of 6 glass blown studios around the country. There's not many at all. Yeah. And they're all making quite unique stuff that is theirs a lot.
So this item is only found in here?
Yes, we make our own style.
Okay, you don't resell it from somewhere else?
Oh, we sell it on our website and we do sometimes sell it in a few galleries around New Zealand as well. So Carlin's going back and he's getting the clear glass which is going to cover that beautiful flower and give it, you can see how red hot it is.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's going to have gorgeous coloured flower on the inside.
Yeah.
So that is a wooden block that he is using to shape and mould it. Yeah. Get the beautiful round shape. And this is now wet yellow pages, the wet paper that he's using to shape and smooth it.
What's that paper?
It's wet paper, it's yellow pages from the back of the telephone book.
Oh, yes. Yes. That old telephone box. Yellow pages.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you said this clear glass is one of these. It's take around how much grams for kilograms?
Oh, look, it'd be about less than a kg. Yeah.
So clear glass will be like 200. You said the amount that he takes?
Oh, so every single week we put about 200 kg of that clear glass into the furnace. So that's to give you an idea of everything we would make in a week. Yeah. So we pretty much operate 7 days a week and we're always making different things. Like tomorrow they'll be making something else.
So these don't know who's working?
No, we've got 2 glass artists and then 2 master glass blowers who've been working for a lot longer, so 28 years each of them.
Yeah, so it's like
So it just all depends on the day who's working that day.
it's average like 10 to 15 and so it will like for a day they make like 20.
Oh, absolutely. It is quite a production line. So yeah, we do make quite a few in a day. Yeah. So it's just making sure it's absolutely perfect and he's really happy with it. And then we they can't
Yeah.
do anything.
Yes.